Hello and welcome to Port Solent. Today I'll be showing you over the 2002 Solar Mist. She is a Fairline Targa 40. As you can see, she is finished in the white combo with the Captain Blue canvas. She's currently in her 5th ownership, living most of her life on the south coast of England. Just currently out for her annual routine servicing. Let's take a look inside the cockpit and the accommodation. So just on the bathing platform here, as you can see, we've got a deck hot and cold shower just stowed away to the port side. Just look down there, nice and high railings for when putting fenders and lines out. Just moving across, just down there is where you stow the bathing ladder, and as you can see, the shore power is just stowed to starboard. Over to the stern, you see the sun pad finished in the white and blue stripe. Under here we have engine room access, where you will find an Onan generator powered by twin CAD 300s, covered around circa 1,000 hours. Over to port, you have this half moon shaped settee, finished in white leather with blue piping. You have a fold out table there with cup holders, inserts. Over to starboard, you can see we have a wet bar. This has a griddle. Down below, we have a separate isotherm fridge. And next to the griddle, so we have a separate sink with hot and cold taps. As you can see, the current owner has replaced all fenders and fender socks, which are looking very neat and tidy. Over to starboard, we have the Helm with a large GPS plotter here, all original from Garmin. Volvo throttles, bow thruster side power unit, and just all the Helm switches. You have autopilot there and a tri-data, mapping table, just your rev gauges up here, and the further engine gauges just over to port. Let's take a look down below in the accommodation. So over to port, we have another half moon shaped settee with dining table, again with cup holders in the centre. All finished in this dark cherry, still in amazing condition for her age. Over to the left here we have an induction hob. Just have the switch panel up there, the generator switch, and we have just a television just stowed away up the top there. Just looking back round, take a look in the master. So we have a central double berth here, all with stowage lockers, hanging lockers. Really light and airy in here with natural light coming through the portholes. Of course, some ensuite. Just moving in here, we have a separate shower unit, separate sink and manual toilet. Again, all in really great condition. She's really been loved over the years. Just step in here. Also access for day heads, just moving straight into the saloon. Let's just have a look in the twin accommodation to the aft. You have a separate sink here. Just a little seating area, and behind the mirror you have another hanging locker. Just got your twin berths here, plenty of space for children and adults. Really just a great space for anyone, any guests that are coming on board. climb back up into the cockpit. Just have another look over of what we have here. I mentioned earlier about the grill and the wet bar over to starboard, sorry. Just showing you that, all very nice and neat and tidy. Teak still in very great condition. Thank you very much for watching.